How to use Square Inventory tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Square Inventory. Now, a lot of people have heard of Square as a website builder, and sure, it definitely is something that can be used for web building, but Square is so much more than that. Square allows you to create your own hardwares, payments, customers, as well as staff. You have banking tools and developer tools as well, and Square Inventory can help you in managing your products easily. You have the ability to easily manage stock to ensure you have the right products at the right places at the right time. So let's jump right into Square Inventory. To get started, simply head on over into squareup.com and then click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you can proceed with your account creation. So I'm just going to proceed with account creation. And we're just going to enter our email address and then create a suitable password. Then we're going to agree and then just proceed with account creation. Now, once we do that, we're just going to go ahead and sign on into our Square account. So I am just logging on into Square over here. And now once we have created our account, we can simply go into our Square dashboard. Now you guys can see this is our Square dashboard. On the left, we have our general business and then our account settings. And then you can order Square hardware if you want to upgrade your store. Now on the left, you will find your items and services. And then you have items, you have item lists, gift cards, and subscription plans. You have your online platform, customers, staff, reporting, and then your general settings. Then below that, you can click on add more and you have Square for restaurants, Square for retail, and then Square for appointments as well. You even have Square AI, so you can click on try it out. And then let's say I want to use the inventory manager. It's just going to ask me what I want to do with the inventory manager, and you guys can see that different requests can be made with the AI tool as well. Now for inventory management, obviously you want to go into Square and then go into items and services and then go into your item library to get started with adding your items. Now this is going to rely on how many locations you have as well. So if you have multiple different locations, you would be adding all of those locations over here. I'm just going to click on create an item over here to proceed with creating my item, and then you have 4 options. So whenever you're trying to stock your inventory or manage inventory, you have 4 options. This could be a prepared food or beverage, physical good, event, or digital product. We're going to proceed with a physical product here. And now after that, you're just going to enter your product name. Let's say our product is called lipstick, and then we can click on edit, and then we can use a certain color or drag and drop the images of the product. So I'm just going to click on upload, and we're going to upload the image of the product. It needs to be a smaller image. So once I've done that, I can proceed with adding a description. So I'm going to generate my description using AI. And then I'm going to make it medium, I'm going to make it concise, and then click on insert. Once I've done that, my product name has been added, the description and image. Now below that, I have my location. So over here, I have set this at my Kaiko location, which is my account or my basic store location. And then after that, I can choose if this will be available on all other store locations in the future. So this allows you to automatically have all of your old products be added to any of the new locations that you might upgrade to or that you might add in the future. Below that, you have categorization. So within this, you can even categorize items. So I'm going to click on select, and then I can click on over here and I can choose the category it needs to be a part of. Especially if you are using the POS system or Square Online, then you would already have these set up. Below that, you have options, so you can create your options. Let's say I have colors. So I want to add color, and then I'm going to create new, and the color options are going to be nude, pink, and then salmon pink. And then let's say we also have nude pink, salmon pink, and then we have hazy red. Once we do that, we can just click on next, click on create 3 variations. Now whenever you add your variations, you will have the unit of the item below it. Now within units, you're going to add how you're going to measure this product. So if you're selling this per item, per box, per carton, whatever it is, you're going to add the unit over here. Once you add your unit, below that you have different variations. You can add the GTIN, SKU number, as well as the price. So if different variants have different prices, you can add those here. And then you can click on manage and then get started with managing stock. So you can click on tracking and then you can click on stock action. And we are going to click on done over here. And then below that we have modifiers, customer behavior, subscription, and more. But now we want to click on manage stock, and then we're going to add stock receive in all three of these. And then let's say I receive 100 units of each one of the lip colors, and then I'm just going to click on save. Now whenever you're managing your inventory, so let's say you sell one of these lipsticks off of your web store, then it is going to be sold, and you are then going to be able to see the decrease in the inventory numbers. So this makes it really easy. Below that you also have your channel listings, which allows you to manage everything, and then after that you have your service library, modifiers, and then other options. You can directly go into settings and also set up your item defaults, compensation and voiding, dining options, payment links, and then your general inventory. And then you can click on applicable locations over here to get started with adding multiple locations for any product. So if any product was originally set for only one location, but you later on decided to include it in others, you can directly customize that from here as well. Now, just like so, we have a simple inventory management system. We also have a payment and invoicing section, our general online store, which is really easy to manage. You can even click on sales channels, and if you have multiple different sales channels, you can add them over here. This makes it really quick and easy for you to have a unified space for selling products. So you can go into retail and then link for it with Meta, and there are multiple different essentials, food pickup and delivery options if you're setting up your restaurant online by a Square. And you can even do your own restaurant inventory over here. It's just going to be slightly different, and I do recommend opting for a Square for restaurants instead of Square for retail if you are in a specialized niche. And just like so, you can get started with Square. Now, the best part about all of this is that it is completely for free when you're getting started with Square. You do not need to sign up with any fancy credit card information or payment information. You can get started completely for free, and there are several different price plans available if you later on do want to upgrade. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.